Good morning everyone, hope you all safe with a good health. With you Ms. Dina Al-Badri, physics teacher for grade 9. We talked last time about the direct current DC. We talked about that like the lightning is a form of DC caused by the static electricity. Did you see? Yes, in this video it is the shape of the lightning in the sky happening because of the DC or static electricity in the class. And we say the direct current, like the battery device, which produce a constant device which produce a DC current through the chemical reaction when the positive and negative terminals are connected through a device. They produce a flow of electrons from negative to positive, which power the device. Okay, and we say that the shape of the alternating current in the circuit. And we talked about the conventional currents. We said that the electron move from the area of negative charge to positive. Conventional currents move in the other direction from positive to negative. The direction of the current is opposite to the direction of the electron moves. And we talked about the resistance of materials. Resistance is caused by friction, which slows the movement of the charge through a conducting material. All materials have some resistance. Conductors are low, insulators are high. So the conductor has low resistance, but the insulator has high resistance. Resistor has certain type of the conductor used to control the current. So the resistance is resistors is very important in the electric because it helps us to control the electric current. And we say that according to the Ohm's law, 1 ohm equal 1 volt divided ampere. Ohm's law, it is the resistance in a circle equal voltage difference divided by the currents. Okay? Ohm's law provides a way to measure the resistance of an object and materials. And we have to know that the Ohm's law equal R. R is the resistance equal V divided I. It is very an important law, very important. You have to save it to solve the problem. And R is a resistance, V is a voltage, I is electric current. And we have semiconductors. They are material that have electrical properties between insulators and conductors. So the semiconductors has a property of the insulators and the property of conductor, and conduct electricity under certain condition. Remember your periodic table. Yeah, we have metal, non-metal, and semiconductors. Superconductors, some metals and compounds that have zero resistance when their temperature falls between the critical temperature. Critical temperature range based on the superconductors can be as low from minus 272 and as high as minus 123 Celsius. Okay, that's we talked about last time. I will repeat this part because it's very important. Ohm's law is very important. Today we will talk about section 3, circuits. We have two types of circuits: closed one, like this picture, and open circuit. What is the electric circuit? It is a path which an electric current can travel. Closed circuits, complete electrical path in which current circulates. So the closed circuits, complete electrical path in which current circulates. Open circuits, an incomplete electrical path which no charge flow and therefore no currents. Switches interrupt that flow of a charge in a circuit. you can use a switch to open and close the circuits. We have a two-way for connection in the circuits, series connection and parallel connection. In the series circuit, only one pass from the source through all of the loads and back to the source. Current in each device is the same, but resistance and the voltage across each device may be different. If one element along the path in a series circuit is removed, the circuit will not work. A string of the old lights in an example of the series circuits. Parallel circuits is very important because all devices in our house are connected in a parallel way. Parallel circuits, two or more paths for current to flow through. Voltage is the same across each device, and the sum of all current equals the total current. A break in any one path doesn't interrupt the flow of electric charge. Okay, that means that when one device in our house doesn't work, doesn't mean that all devices doesn't work. Okay, so it's very important in our house to connect all devices in a parallel way, like this way. Did you see? Like this way. Circuits breakers. When electrical wires carry more than a cell level of current, the circuit is overloaded. Overload circuit can cause fire. So it is very important to making an overload in one source of electricity. A short circuit, when current stops short of the intended device. So what the meaning of the short circuit? When current stops short of the device. Circuit breaker, a device which prevents too much electric from flowing through a circuit. Fuses, an electrical device that contain a metal strip that melt when a current in the circuit becomes too great. Fuses melt to prevent the circuit overloads. Okay, picture diagram. This is for the sample diagram, lamp, battery, and electric wire to connect electricity. A graphical representation of the circuit uses line to represent wire, uses sample to Okay, this is a component and its sample in the circuit. Did you see? Yeah, this is mean single cell, this is mean battery, this is mean connecting wire, this is mean resistors and switch but open, and this is switch but closed. Okay, this is all the samples that's used inside the electric circuit. That's all. Hope you all understand. Thank you. Please don't forget to print the sheet from LMS, solve it, and send it to me on email. Goodbye.